So after years of waiting and saving up, we were finally able to buy our dream drone.
I'm so excited to fly it.
Hello there, my friends. After years of dreaming about it, we eventually bought our first GPS drone, which will make our future adventures much more interesting. There are plenty of videos on YouTube showing all the detail about this drone, and you can check them out. But we are just going to cut to the action.
Yeah, so because of the COVID restrictions, you're not able to travel more than like 5 kilometers away from your house. So we decided we're just going to go to our local forest, which is about 3 kilometers away.
And also, before you can fly this drone, you have to register it with the Irish Aviation Authority, which I already did. So we have got the authorization, and we're gonna just go to the forest and do our filming. And we are really excited and happy to share our future adventures on YouTube.